Happy morning, children. How are you all? I hope you had a great weekend with your family and friends. You had enjoyed your weekends? Yes. So, today let us enter into our new e learning session. Last class, what we had seen? Yes, the topic we had seen is living things and non living things. There are many things present around us. Some are living, some are non living. We had seen about some of the characteristics of living things and non living things. Living things, they need food and water to live, whereas non living things, they do not need food and water to live. Living things, they breathe, non living things, they do not breathe. Yes, today also we are going to see some of the characteristics between living things as well as non-living things. Come children, let us enter into the session and see what all the remaining things present.
Living things, they move on their own, whereas non-living things, it does not do so. Animals mainly move from one place to another in search of food and water, to escape from enemies, and to return home to their shelters. Insects, you can see it is having 6 legs present. They use their legs to move. Most insects, they fly with the help of their wings. Yes, birds also you can see flying. It is having 2 legs and 2 wings present. They mainly use their wings for flying and legs for movement. You can see some birds like ducks and swans have webbed feet that help them to swim in water. Can you see some birds which are not flying but they can run fastly? You can see some flightless birds like ostrich, penguins and kiwis. They cannot fly. That's why it is called flightless birds. Snakes, they do not have limbs. They move by sliding. This movement is called slithering. Then you can see the mammals. The mammals, it is having 4 limbs present. They move with the help of their limbs. Then what about the plants? Can you see the plants moving from one place to another? No, the plants, they move their body parts. They can move their body parts based on the direction of the sun. Yes, sunflower you can see, very good. Sunflower, it will turn its head towards the direction of the sun. Another example we can see is touch me not plant. It closes its leaves when we touch the plant. So the next topic we are going to see is living things need a suitable place to live. All living things need a suitable place to live. For example, you can see coconut tree, it grows in warmer region, whereas apple tree you can see it will grow in colder region. Likewise, you can see wild asses, cheetah, polar bear, arctic fox, penguin and all, it will live in the polar regions, whereas wild ass, camel and all live in the desert. So, living things need a suitable place to live. Next characteristics, living things grow. You can see plants, they grow throughout their lifetime, whereas animals, it grow only during the early part of their lives. What about the non-living things? Yes, non-living things, they do not grow. So the next characteristics you can see is living things produce young ones. Living beings, they produce either by laying eggs or they give birth to young ones. Some insects, frogs, fish, snakes, they lay eggs, whereas animals, they mainly give birth to young ones. Then living being. What about the plants? Yes, plants mainly reproduce. They grow with the help of their seeds. Now next characteristics, living things give out waste product. Waste product is an harmful thing that is present in our body, so mainly living things, they will excrete the waste products, whereas non-living things, it will not do so. Living things respond to stimuli, whereas non-living things, it does not respond to stimuli. Example we can see, when you go and touch a candle, you are taking your hand. Yes, that is response to stimuli. Likewise, you can see ant, it is going and moving towards the smell of sugar. Then you can see the touch me not plant. When you keep your finger nearby, it is closing its leaves. It is the stimulus and response. Next, you can see living things have a lifespan. What is mean by lifespan? The time period for which a living thing lives is called as a lifespan. Every living being is having a different lifespan. Example, trees, they live for many years, whereas herbs, it will live for a few months. Example, you can see giant tortoise, it will live for 150 years,